Good morning. We're back once again, and we're going to start with the Jolly Box. Yesterday we had that wonderful fat quarter bundle, which after researching it comes up, if you had to buy that or wanted to buy that yourself, it would have been about $36, $37, which I do believe is exactly what she had on her sheet for us. So, and the cost of the box in total was about $63.24. So you're already at that halfway mark, and we do know that this is a project-centered, not a day-centered Advent type box. That you spend the days working on the project and whatnot. So, and the second thing that we have in the Jolly Box this year from Fat Quarter Shop is a panel for stockings and a tree skirt. It is absolutely huge. This is folded in half here. It's a tree skirt with trees and houses on it. Or you can make it teeny tiny if you wanted, with just the center. It's up to you. Let me see if I can back up some. Got your tree skirt. And then you've got stockings that you can make, and the instructions are there to make the stockings. There's another stocking, and the other side of that stocking would be over here. And the instructions are printed on the panel, and you quilt them. And that is the other project. And here we have those fat quarter panels we can use with it, but I happen to know what's coming up. And save them. Save them. Don't start that project yet. We will see that, what's going to happen tomorrow with that. Going on, I will continue to price these out so you can see if you're getting your money's worth, your value for that, for the boxes that you might be interested in buying for next year. This one is sold out, so you can't go back in and try and find it. So let's go on to our box B, which I've already moved over here. Let's move this out of the way. Box B. I pull it out. Here we go. From Soft Squares, this is Soft Squares Box B Day 2. Here's a lovely fat quarter bundle for you to play with. And it is very playful looking. Very spring, very bright, very playful. Very nice. Just to have fun and play with, and we can all use that. Yesterday, when we did Soft Squares, the B box, we had all those patterns. Oh, just a plethora of wonderful patterns. Rounding out the total, I came up with they had about $50 invested in this pattern thing. She had it down for a little more. The box total is $325, so they're off to a good start on that day as well. So maybe it's somewhere in between. Maybe I wasn't. There were some things you couldn't find and some things that were very specific. And so we had to go for the next closest thing. And that brings us now to Ginny's countdown. And the same thing there, we had the snow globes yesterday, the fabric, which was also very specific for Missouri Star. It was made especially for them. The pattern couldn't be found anywhere, but similar patterns, I did manage to find those. So their first day total, I gave a Ooh, where did I put it? On here. Ah, yep. About 23.50 for the pattern and the panel. And their box is 201. And all these, as far as I can remember, those are the prices that were paid after taxes and shipping. So that was the total. So I don't know what they put on it, and I haven't checked with anybody else to see what they were doing with it. That was just my estimation. It's just an estimation. It's in the ballpark. But this is kind of squishy. I'm not sure what. It's got some shape to it. See what it, oh. Aha. Oh, look. It's a cute little plastic stocking. A 28 millimeter rotary cutter in its own stocking. That is adorable. Very handy. I didn't think these would be that handy, but they are very handy. I didn't have one for the longest time, and now I'm glad I do. Because a 28 millimeter comes in very handy with some templates in small places, and it's wonderful. Makes things work very handy if I could actually hold it and press. But there's this. There we're at. I will doing this. Hopefully you're seeing this as a premiere. If not, it'll just load up as a video. Some changes in circumstances, and since how I started this at 8 o'clock, I'm trying to keep up with it at 8 o'clock. And keep it short. And feel free to leave comments, questions. I will look at them and answer them. So far, everything that quilters would want, quilters are getting. That isn't to say quilters don't want other things. And we may see some of that to come yet. So then that'll help you decide what box you kind of want next year. And maybe you'll want all of them. Who knows? Look forward to seeing your comments. And hopefully catch up with you again soon. Go out there and find the joy. These were joyful gifts today. We definitely had some very nice, joyful gifts. And we'll rock this out. And I'll try and get to work on some of the projects that we've already got so you can see what the finished product looks like. And from there, have a great day. Happy Advent, and I will see you again tomorrow if I don't see you sooner in the chats. All right, have a lovely day. Bye-bye.